It is now working, and the headlight is working too. As you can see, I don't know what happened, but my cab light comes on too. But it still only seems to be smoking through. Am I clear to go?
Where are you going?
That way?
Oh, I can see you. Right here.
Okay. Just want to make sure that I'm cleared for takeoff, as they say. Well, highball, I guess, in railroads, not takeoff. Are you that, oh, cool. Leasing unit, or demonstrator, I guess, actually.
It's a caterpillar region.
Yeah, yep.
Hey John, can you put that extra on?
Just a moment, please.
Uh-oh. Huh, something overheated again.
That's real nice.
Yeah, it was smoking earlier, and now the front headlight went out again.
You were smoke fluid in there?
Huh?
Is there smoke fluid in there?
Oh yeah, hadn't run it, so.
Something I've learned from O-gauges.
Yeah, oh, I already did that.
Well, I did it a couple times.
Yeah, I did that too. Yep. I had this problem with the other one. The smoke control board is bad, and I'll have to send it down because I have another couple issues I'd like fixed with it.
Probably limited smoke units are not the greatest from what I've heard.
Alright, I've never had any problems except for their S2686 locomotives. The first I've had a problem with. Oh crap, that sucks. It was working too. It was so beautiful.